2022 Porsche Panamera. There's no standard that says you can't everyday drive a Porsche sports vehicle, yet the brand's 911 and 718 two-entryways aren't the most viable types of transportation. Fortunately, the 2022 Panamera vehicle couples Porsche's enjoyable to drive disposition with a four-entryway body and a superior lodge to make a more adjusted choice for the individuals who need space for youngsters and freight. Most models accompany a turbocharged V6, yet a 473 horsepower twin super V8 is likewise accessible, similar to a module half and half with up to 552 strength. The Panamera's dealing with is drawing in and energetic, very much like the brand's games vehicles, and its fastback roofline gives it a racier look than comparably valued sports cars like the BMW M5 and the Mercedes-AMG E63. On the off chance that you want much greater reasonableness, Porsche will sell you a Panamera Game Turismo station cart, or on the other hand, in the event that you need more power, there's likewise the Panamera Super. We survey both of those models independently. What's happening for 2022? Another Platinum release bundle is currently accessible on 2022 Panamera, Panamera 4S, and Panamera 4E crossbreed models. The Appearance bundle incorporates dark outside trim, exceptional 21-inch wheels with a glossy silk platinum finish, and smoked headlamp focal points. Inside, Panamera's furnished with the bundle Sport Platinum release badging on the aluminium entryway ledge defenders. The Panamera likewise gains the Porsche's refreshed infotainment framework, PCM 6.0, which makes Android Auto a standard component and furthermore offers remote Apple CarPlay network and inherent points of interaction for both Apple Music and Apple Digital broadcasts. Evaluating and which one to purchase. Porsche offers the Panamera in such a large number of models and costs, your spending plan and needs ought to direct which is best for you. There is certainly not a flop in the pack, including the base model, which produces 325 torque and starts beneath $100,000. We really love the leader models, which include a more drawn-out wheelbase and deal significantly more backseat legroom than the standard body. As far as concerns us, we feel the Panamera 4S finds some kind of harmony among execution and worth, with its 440 horsepower twin super 2.9-liter V6 and standard all-wheel drive framework. Porsche additionally offers a perpetual choice of choices, however don't avoid the versatile air suspension, which works on the hatchback's ride and dealing with, or the Game Chrono bundle. The last option adds a game in addition to setting with send-off control and dials up the reaction and execution of the Panamera's motor, transmission, and case. Motor, transmission, and execution. With coordinated taking care of and a smooth ride, particularly when outfitted with the discretionary movable air suspension, the 2022 Panamera is a rush to drive. It additionally gives the solace and extravagance expected of such a costly four-entryway hatchback. Each Panamera accompanies a supported motor, yet just some wear the Super identification. We audit those models independently. The base back tire drive Panamera and all-wheel drive Panamera 4-component a 325 horsepower turbocharged, 2.9-liter V6. In the engine of the extensively speedier 4S model, 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, is a 440 horsepower twin super 2.9-liter V6. Moving up to the GTS gives you a 473 horsepower twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8. It's the best performing of the non-super line. In any case, its suspension forfeits some ride quality for the sake of dealing with. Porsche likewise offers module Panameras, with a 455 horsepower powertrain in the 4E crossbreed and a 552 horsepower arrangement during the 4SE mixture. Purchasers searching for an all-electric Porsche ought to look at the new Taycan.